Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best outdoor TV antenna for rural areas. Number 1. Antenna's Direct Outdoor TV Antenna. Enjoy crystal clear hdtv signals from broadcast towers over 70 miles away with this powerful and reliable TV antenna. Its innovative design features four patented loops, optimized to deliver a wide range of free TV channels straight from the networks, making it a cost-effective alternative to cable or satellite. The antenna is compatible with NextGen TV, 4K, 8K UHD, and Full HD 1080p, ensuring stunning picture quality without the need for an internet connection. Measuring 17.4-inch x 27.8 WX6D, this antenna is crafted from premium, durable materials, making it ideal for versatile installation options. Whether you place it indoors, in your attic, or outdoors, it's engineered to perform in suburban and rural environments. The included reflectors enhance signal reception by adding forward gain and focusing the antenna's power, effectively protecting against interference that can cause pixelation or picture loss. Additionally, the 20-inch mast with a pivoting base ensures easy installation on both vertical and horizontal surfaces, accommodating various mounting needs. Reception performance may vary based on distance from towers and potential obstructions like trees or building materials. Experience the freedom of high-quality entertainment with this cutting-edge TV antenna. Number 2. ANTOP Outdoor TV Antenna. Elevate your TV viewing experience with a powerful indoor antenna designed for exceptional performance and versatility. Offering an impressive 85-mile range, this antenna ensures access to a wide variety of free channels with crisp and clear reception. Its exclusive Smart Boost system includes a built-in adjustment dial, allowing you to fine-tune reception for optimal signal strength, reducing pixelation and interruptions. A unique feature of this device is its ability to connect to two devices simultaneously, making it perfect for households with multiple TVs or a TV and an FM stereo. The built-in 4G LTE filter effectively blocks unwanted cellular interference, ensuring a seamless and uninterrupted viewing experience. With a multi-directional reception pattern, this antenna captures signals from various directions without the need for constant repositioning. The integrated FM antenna is an added bonus for those who enjoy radio programming, while the sleek and stylish design blends effortlessly into any modern home decor. Whether you're in a suburban or urban setting, this antenna is a reliable choice for superior entertainment without the hassle of cables or subscription fees. Upgrade your setup with this innovative solution to access your favorite content for free. Number 3. DTB Tech HD TV Antenna. Transform your RV entertainment experience with a digital HD TV antenna designed to deliver free Full HD channels without the expense of cable subscriptions. Enjoy popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, and more, accessing news, sitcoms, sports, and kids' programs on the go. Built with a sleek, modern design and high-quality materials, this antenna offers effortless installation and blends seamlessly with any RV setup. Its high-gain design ensures optimal UHF reception and strong high-band VHF, capturing your favorite channels no matter where your travels take you. The powerful amplifier signal booster guarantees a reliable connection, minimizing interference and distortion even in weak signal areas. This low-noise amplifier prevents overloading, ensuring a clear picture and sound quality for an enhanced viewing experience. With omnidirectional reception, there's no need to adjust or point the antenna. It captures strong signals from all directions effortlessly, perfect for mobile use in RVs, trucks, boats, or caravans. Designed for durability, the antenna can be securely installed with screws, ensuring stability during your journeys. Follow the included instructions for proper installation using tools like screwdrivers and drills. Enjoy uninterrupted entertainment with this reliable, mobile-friendly TV antenna. Number 4. Antenna's direct outdoor TV antenna. Experience the freedom of high-quality TV with a state-of-the-art antenna designed for exceptional performance and durability. Engineered to capture UHF signals from over 70 miles away, this antenna features an advanced design with 4 patented loops, ensuring reliable reception of your favorite channels. Its compatibility with NextGen TV, 4K, 8K UHD, and Full HD 1080p guarantees stunning picture quality without requiring an internet connection. Built with premium materials, this versatile antenna measures 17.4 inch x 27.8 w/6D, making it suitable for indoor, attic, or outdoor installation. It is ideal for suburban and rural environments, providing robust performance in diverse settings. The included reflectors enhance forward gain and focus the antenna's power, shielding incoming signals from interference that can cause pixelation or picture loss. A 20-inch mast with a pivoting base allows flexible mounting on vertical or horizontal surfaces, ensuring a secure and straightforward installation process. While reception quality may vary depending on distance from towers and potential obstacles like trees or building materials, this antenna is designed to deliver consistent, clear signals. Upgrade your home entertainment system with this reliable, high-performance solution for free over-the-air channels. Number 5. Bigefeixu Smart TV Antenna. Upgrade your entertainment setup with a high-performance outdoor digital TV antenna designed to deliver free Full HD channels for life. Access popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, CW, Fox, and Univision without the burden of monthly subscription fees. Enjoy sharp 4K visuals and a wide variety of programming while cutting costs on your TV bill. This antenna is engineered for outdoor durability and omnidirectional reception, ensuring clear signals without the hassle of constant manual adjustments. Its robust, weather-resistant materials make it a reliable choice for uninterrupted viewing, even in challenging conditions. A 32.8-foot high-performance coaxial cable provides flexibility in placement, ensuring optimal signal strength while minimizing interference for consistent quality. Advanced IC chip technology enhances picture clarity, delivering stunning 720p, 1080i, 1080p, and 4K visuals. The built-in pre-amplifier and 4G LTE filter boost signal strength and filter out unwanted cellular and FM interference for a superior viewing experience. Designed as a passive device, this antenna safely receives signals without transmitting or emitting radio frequencies, ensuring interference-free performance. Experience premium entertainment with this efficient and reliable outdoor TV antenna, perfect for homes, RVs, and outdoor setups. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.